Lot S141.2 is a 1990 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 pickup truck with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a fresh restoration. And it bid to $37,000, but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 69,112 miles. And the highlights are fresh restoration, 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, ultra wheels with Falcon AT tires, Bilstein shocks, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, bucket seats with console, aftermarket stereo system, and spray-in bed liner. And it was definitely a good-looking truck. Somebody did a great restoration on it, being a K1500 Z71 off-road package with the two-tone paint, the red with the gold belt. Definitely had the eyeball, and that may have been the money for it, $37,000. But whenever you do a fresh restoration, it's tough to get your money back unless you did most of the work yourself. So you got to keep that in mind. But anyway, it wasn't enough money, so he ended up taking her back home. Try it again down the road. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.